Hi guys, and welcome to the Monochrome watch reviews. This year is an important one for Audemars Piguet, as the brand's most emblematic watch, the Royal Oak, is celebrating its 50th anniversary. More important even, as the brand has just released its new version of the most desirable Royal Oak. The new Jumbo Extra Fin reference 16202 ST, replacing the 15202 ST. But we're not here to tell the full history of the watch launched in 1972 again. We're here to take a look at the new watch and what's changed compared to the previous generation. Spoiler alert, visually it's almost entirely identical. Mechanically, however, it's another story altogether. As said, the new Royal Oak Jumbo replaces the 15202 ST, which was presented in 2000 and then revised in 2012. It is the so-called Royal Oak Jumbo, a nickname given to the original Royal Oak designed by Gérald Ginta in 1972. And as such, Audemars Piguet somehow has a mission to remain true to the origins of the model with this specific watch. So, be reassured, the new 16202 ST is still very much a Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Fin, to the point of showing almost no differences with the previous generations, at least for the design and dimensions. The main change is on the movement side, and that's actually a big thing, as the Royal Oak Extra Fin has had the exact same movement for the past 50 years. The new Royal Oak Jumbo is equipped with an entirely new, fully in-house developed and manufactured extra fin movement called Calibre 7121. Like its predecessor, it's a self-winding movement with a central rotor. However, the new movement has a longer power reserve and a quick set date. And because it's the 50th anniversary of this watch, the 16202 ST has a special rotor with a 50-year logo. But that's only for this year. In 2023, this logo will be gone, but all the rest will remain identical. Now, some details about the new Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Fin 16202 ST. First, the case. It retains the exact same size as before, with a diameter of 39mm and the case is 8.1mm thick. The water resistance remains at 50 meters. The case is still brushed steel with polished bevels. And of course, the octagonal bezel with the white gold screws hasn't changed either. And there are sapphire crystals on both sides of the case. As for the bracelet, the 16202 ST retains the same bracelet as before, including the same folding clasp. No quick release bracelet or micro adjustment of the clasp here, unfortunately. Or fortunately, if you're all about consistency. The dial is also the same as in the past generation. This means that we'll still find the superb Petite Tapisserie pattern and the emblematic Bleu Nuit Nuage 50 colour achieved by a more modern PVD technique. The rest of the dial, meaning the typical Jumbo applied markers and hands in white gold, are identical too. Same goes for the polished gold applied AP monogram at 6 o'clock and the printed Audemars Piguet automatic mention at 12 o'clock. The date positioning is slightly different, but this is almost imperceptible. Basically, it's the same as before. What really changes is the movement. Gone is the Calibre 2121. Meet the new Calibre 7121, developed and manufactured in-house. This extra fin automatic movement is still displaying the hours, minutes and date, no seconds. This new movement is slightly thicker, 3.2mm versus 3.05mm in the past, and also a bit larger. What's important is that this is a modern construction with a higher frequency of 4 Hz, a longer power reserve of 55 hours, and now it features a quick set date. Both the mainspring barrel and the balance wheel are secured under a transversal bridge for more robustness. The look is also very pleasant, with 2 transversal bridges, and the decoration is refined with Geneva stripes and polished bevels. And as said, the 50-year-old rotor is exclusive to the 2022 production. In addition to the stainless steel Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Fin 16202 ST, Audemars Piguet also introduces a rose gold version with a smoked grey dial, a yellow gold version with a smoked gold dial, and a platinum version with a green smoked dial. For more reviews and info, check out monochromewatches.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys for the next one.